Hey there, so I'm going to show you how to make this green salsa that we make at home. We use it for pretty much every meal and for breakfast, and my partner loves it. So let's start with the ingredients. I'm going to use 5 green tomatoes, tomatillos. I'm going to use 3 jalapeños and 2 serranos. I'm also going to add half an onion and 2 garlic heads. So here I'm cleaning all the ingredients. I'm peeling off the tomatillos, and I'm also going to wash the jalapeno and the serrano and have everything ready to cook them. Make sure to wash them real good. Sometimes they can feel like they have like a little wax film over them, so make sure to wash everything, rinse everything properly, and remove the tails of the jalapenos. In a pot, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to cook all my ingredients except the cilantro. I'm gonna add the tomatillos, the jalapeno, the serrano, the onions, the garlic. The oil was a little bit hot, but it's okay. I moved back a little bit and I just added everything, and I cover the ingredients. That way everything simmered down and the ingredients will get soft and change color. So I'm gonna cover them for a couple minutes until they're ready. In between I will like move the pan around so it doesn't burn. Now that I have them ready, I'm gonna transfer everything to my blender. As you can tell, they change color, they are softer, they have like this delicious char. And I'm gonna keep the pan, I'm gonna put it on the side because I'm gonna use it again. I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro, and I'm gonna add salt, pepper to this. I won't add any liquids right now, I'm gonna add it later. So just season to taste and go ahead and start blending all the ingredients. Now that I have everything ready, I'm gonna go ahead and take it back to the pan, put it back on fire, and as you can tell, it's already hot here. I'm gonna cook the salsa a little bit longer, and once I have it all cooked, I'm just gonna transfer to a small mason jar that I use for my salsas. I keep this in the fridge. It lasts me about, depending on how much we eat it, but it can last me up to 3 weeks. So as long as it's in the fridge, just make sure that before you put it in the fridge, it's cold. That way it doesn't go bad faster. Once it's cooled down, you can put it in the fridge and it will be ready for use. You can eat it hot or you can eat it cold. This is what it looks like. I use it with chicharrón. We use it for the sopes. I even use it for pupusas. Like, I've used it for a lot of things, and it's delicious. Carne asada with avocado is like the best combination that we had so far. So I hope you enjoyed this mini salsa recipe. Don't forget to share this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and well, thank you. Bye.